So guess who's starting their own business? It's me. Yes, it's me. So my business is going to be called Luxury and Couture. Yes, I know everybody has a business called Luxury, and yes, I know everybody has a business called Couture, but mine's gonna be Luxury and Couture. And A&D is in Couture. Luxury and Couture. So basically, I'm going to be selling luxury inspired handbags and cases and AirPod cases. Like, that's basically where the whole luxury and couture thing goes in. But I'm also going to be selling like beauty items. So right now I'm focusing on the nail department of my brand business, because that I feel like will take the most out of everything to really nail down. Basically, like with the rest of the beauty stuff, I'll just find beauty influencers and have them, you know, market it. With nails, I kind of want it to be my own little creation, and where I can be creative, well, the most creative. Yeah, I feel like nails is gonna be like my own little way to be creative, and it's gonna make me happy, because it's not like, oh, I'm doing something wrong. Like, you can't do anything wrong. Basically, it's just my own little world, my own little creation, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that you guys purchase it. I hope that you guys use it, and I definitely would love to feature your stuff on the Instagram and the website. So please stay tuned, stay, you know, connected, turn on your post notifications, subscribe, like, and comment on my videos so, you know, other people can see it. Share it with your other friends and nail techs, or if you do crafts, share it with your craft friends, because if I do glitters and stuff, anybody can use the glitters. Like, it's a one-stop shop, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, it's gonna be called Luxury and Couture. I'm gonna be doing nail supplies, but then I'm also gonna be doing like I said, luxury inspired bags, luxury inspired phone cases, and luxury inspired AirPod cases, and a bunch of other stuff. Like, I don't know, it just depends on how I feel. Like, that's how I feel like my shop is gonna be. It's gonna be me reflected out, and I just hope other people connect with it as well. But yeah, guys, so basically I'm starting this business because I really want to provide for my mother. I really want to provide for myself as well, but mainly my mother. Like, I really want to get us out of this room. I want to get us our own place, and I don't know, I just want to be able to live comfortably and in peace. So I'm not looking to make like a bunch of money. Like, I want God to intervene into this business, and just to, you know, be able to lead me in the right way that I should go, and lead the right clientele to me. And yeah, so this business is a labor of love for sure. It definitely took a big chunk out of my finances, and it hasn't even taken the biggest chunk yet, because I still haven't got my VPIN number or bought my website. I still need to make the Shopify website. Yeah, so it's gonna be hard, but you know, I'm ready for the journey. I'm ready to take this trip and be as productive as I can, and grind as much as I need to. Pray, like, Lord, guide me. So guys, send me all your prayers, send me all your love. When everything is ready to launch, I'll definitely be sure to make a video about launch dates and everything, and give you all a close-up of what the products are actually looking like. Definitely want to go down there and show you guys the products, the inventory. So I'll definitely do an inventory haul. I'll definitely be doing you know, as much as I can to give you all a behind-the-scenes look at what it's like to start the business. If you guys want me to show you how I'm going to make my website, let me know, because right now it's looking like I'm gonna have to do it myself. I'm just gonna have to get down to the nitty-gritty and do what I gotta do myself. So yeah, if you guys have any tips or anything, please comment those down below. If you want to be a brand ambassador, if you're a nail tech and you want to be a brand ambassador, or when I launch the luxury items, if you want to be a brand ambassador for that, please comment down below and let me know. I'll be sure to, you know, check out your pages and stuff like that. So I'm excited. I know I look like, because Y'all know I'm really sleepy. Like, this is my sleep time, it's my nap time. But yeah, yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really happy. I really wanted something to change in my life, and I needed a change in my life, and I need to be in control. Basically, feel like I'm in control of my life, and not feel like, you know, I'm being on a puppet string and just doing whatever everybody else wants me to do. So yeah guys, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Let me know anything you want to know. I will let you know. If you want to know where I get my items, I don't care. I will share with you, you know, what you need to know. Kind of thinking about being my own vendor eventually, but I don't really know if other people want to make like a nail supply store like me. So yeah. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for all the upcoming videos, and please watch my other videos. You know, they're still up there. You know, I'm still gonna be making nail videos, tutorials and stuff about being a nail tech, because I'm still just getting into that. So yeah, it's gonna be a rough but exciting next, you know, few months, and I'm looking forward to what God has in store for my business and for my nails, you know, my nail business as well. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and you watch, and you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. Boo.